We got the fins. Yes, fin. You're gonna be moving today. It's an acquired taste. Your girl has been loving.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele order to call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
I'm so excited. You wanna know why? Because I've been longing to do this for a while now. I'm in the era now where I wanna try things at least once or just try new things. Obviously, this is something that I'm going to do consistently because you guys know how I feel about them ocean waves. Can you hear it? The sea's a little rough today though, but we'll take that. So I'm about to, hold on, I have to share with you guys what I got. Actually, let's go to a different location. I have some accessories for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, what I'm using to film. She's for the girls now. Everybody want a piece of her. Accessories that should help make vlogging even better. And I also bought some snorkeling equipment because we're about to snorkel. I don't know what I'm doing, but the fact that I don't have much hair on my head now, we can just go in, out, in. Okay, let's go. This is the outfit. I got this from Amazon. This is what I wore to ATV in my St. Martin vlog. Let's unbox the snorkeling stuff first. Let me see what I'm working with to mentally prepare myself. Obviously, I like to stand up. I be on my feet all day. And when I get to sit, I don't take the opportunity, so I'm gonna take it right now. Can you guys tell how excited I am? So I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna post the link in the description box. I need to get better on that. So it's a snorkel set. Looks like this. Hopefully it fits. What size did I get? I probably got the small to medium. I'm not sure, but I have a very small head. Wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. We got the fins. Yes, fin. You're gonna be moving today, fin. And it's in blue. Let me take everything out. This is pretty. Mermaid razor. I love the water. I am not a water sign. I'm a Taurus. The bull. Mess with it. You know how we Taurus smooth? Very calm. But don't try it, baby. Don't try it. I be yapping. Y'all love when I yap. I don't really yap much, to be honest. But for some reason, when it comes to you guys, I be yapping. This is what the back looks like. Oh, so this is a 4.5. So it's a small to medium, 4.5 to 8.5. I'm usually an 8, but these days it's been an 8.5. But I think that's because I was gaining weight. So my feet got bigger, but I think I'm probably back down to an 8, but I can get away with an 8.5. It came with a bag for everything, so that's good. And this is the mask. I did wish I had a camera that I can film under the water with. I'm gonna get one because this is something I'm going to do. I'm gonna see how it feels the first time, but I feel like this is something that I'm going to consistently do because I love the water. And it just gives me a type of peace. And we gonna ignore the hair. Today's Sunday. Did I tell you guys that? This is Sunday hair. You know we gotta wash the hair right after this. And right before this, I did a workout. So I got my workout in already. But what is this? Don't tell me I have to set things up. I don't wanna do that. It's a full face snorkel mask. But tell me, are you guys into swimming? Do you guys love the beach? Do you love being by the water? I know some people detest sand. That's what they hate the most about the beach. I don't mind it because I'm gonna shower and rinse it off, but you know, cleaning sand and all, it can. Growing up on an island around the beach, but even when I was growing up, it's not like I frequented the beach a lot. I only grew to love the beach after, in my adulthood. But I've always been obsessed with the water, the sound of the waves. Anyway, I guess these are stuff you can mount your own camera on. Donde es el inglés? One day I'll be able to speak Spanish fluently. One day, one day. So this is a camera mount. But one of my co-workers were telling me that the reef is, if you care about nature, the constant fishing is causing the reefs to die, basically. The shoreline isn't as filled with as many reefs as it used to be. I don't know if you care about stuff like that, but I do. That's sad. Oh, and because of that, being able to fish, go and actually get a catch is very scarce because the reefs are dying, so the fishies don't have anywhere to live. Step 1, please aim these two arrows. Twist in the direction of the arrow. You see why it's good to pay attention in school? Because because then you get instructions, and if you don't know, okay, it said twist. Where the arrow though? Hold on. I think I locked it. Twist. Okay. Is it secure though? Twist in the direction of the arrow. Okay. Let's move on. I know I've been on that for a while. As I was telling you, I bought some DJI accessories from my camera. I don't have a car right now, so it's not like I can set these up, but this is a suction cup mount. I'll just post a picture of it on the screen because I can't really use these. It doesn't make sense to take these out, but I wanted to show you guys first before I get rid of the boxes and stuff. I also got another mount. This one can stick on the inside and the outside of the car, so that'll be good to get that kind of footage, you know, different angles. I also got a gimbal and screen protector because she be going through it, to be honest. This one should protect the camera a lot more. Let's see, because the one that it came with, it's not the most practical. I got a magnetic mount. I can set this up on anything that it sticks to. That'll be cool. I got some ND filters. It'd be cool to try these out right now, actually. I got basically a table tripod, and I got another tripod for you guys and my phone. I have some more stuff coming. You can never have too many tripods as a content creator. I think I got this specifically for how tall it goes, and if I do have any action cameras and stuff. Anyway, let me figure this out, and then we going in the water. Are you guys ready? I'm excited. First impression, LOL. How do you put this on though? Oh my god! Can I hear you? It's hard to breathe in here. You hear me? I don't remember intentionally going for a snorkel. Is that how you say it? So let's put this on again. I slacken the straps. This is so hard to walk in. So we're about to go in the water. Woo!
Nobody know tomorrow. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Let me take you guys down. Just did the first round and I was kind of scared. I don't know what I'm gonna see in there, but haven't seen anything yet. But hopefully it's nothing that can chase me. But I'm gonna enjoy this. I think the mask is a little too small though. I thought my head was small, but apparently it's not. So a medium large would have fit me a lot better because it's kind of moving off my head and some water got inside the mask. But it's not anything I can't work with. I'm gonna try to go out further or like swim the shoreline at least. Haven't seen any fishes yet, even though the last time I came here a fish was literally chasing me. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this. I feel so peaceful under there. This is your reminder or your inspiration to either try snorkeling or go out and try something new. Y'all, I was telling my friend, and it was a thought that I had, when we're going through bad times, you guys see how we wallow and sorrow and soak up the bad times. It's like we get depressed and we stay in these states for so long compared to when we're actually happy and enjoying life and having fun. Like that lasts ever so long. You guys realize that? But if this is not you, then you need to be teaching the girls and boys how you've been living. But yeah, a lot of us dwell on the bad times, and when the good times come, it's like haha kiki, and then back to bad times. Let's do something fun, do something new, do something you haven't done yet that you want to do. Cross off something off of your bucket list, even if you have to do it alone. Y'all don't see nobody, right? I'm here alone by myself, even though I have an audience. People are watching me, but that usually happens when you're alone. and doing things by yourself. I'll get braver at this, but for now I'll stick to the shoreline. Go out, do something fun, do something new, live your life. What are we doing? We're getting older. Let's enjoy life. We already work so hard. Like, yo, like, do the things that you've always wanted to do. Do it now, do it tomorrow. Like, plan it, book it. I'm gonna go back in the water and enjoy my time. I'm still here. So I think I showed you guys this before. Yes, I definitely did. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are called whelks. I won't say it's a delicacy. Probably in the British Virgin Islands. They can get as big as my hands, probably bigger. But these are called whelks. So it's in the same family as, you guys know what conch is? It's in the snail family. I went all the way over there and I picked them on the rocks, and I also stuffed them in my clothes. Hold on. So I usually boil them. I tried making a sauce with them the last time, but I did not enjoy that really. So I'm just gonna boil them with some salt and pepper, maybe some garlic powder, and just pop them out the shell and eat them. Hold on, I gotta get these out. I'm using one of the bags from the packages. So this one is trying to come out of the shell. I know it looks gross, but it's an acquired taste. She really trying to come out though. No time to style. I swear every time we bring the hair in the frame, it's just looking longer and longer. I'm gonna show you guys one of my newfound routines that I've been loving. It's gonna be a shocker product because you guys know I do not care for this particular genre of product, but I think since my hair is short now, or it may be the product, I don't know, I can only tell from the length of my hair. Your girl has been loving. Don't play me like that. Come on, you were supposed to. Okay, let's try that. Why isn't it not? This is not working how it's supposed to. Do this. Anyway, this is supposed to be mousse. I have another one though. So wait, it's not supposed to spray like this. Anyway, your girl has been loving mousse. I guess it's almost done. You finished this, man? Yeah, mom has been using it. You think I know you've been using it? Oh, what is going on? Yikes. Yeah, mousse. Let's just move on because causing a mess. This is the Kenra Volume Mousse Extra Firm Hold. When you guys see the end result of this just brings the curls out to play. My hair loves this, and it's a firm hold. I do have some other mousses from the brand that they sent me that I am yet to try, but as you saw, this is my second bottle of this, and my mom has been using it too. You guys would know that she also did cut her hair really short. I'll post it somewhere here, but she also cut her hair. So the mousse is in. You guys can see already the curls. Ooh, the curls are outside. And you should know we're going to top it off with the extreme gel. Guys, I'm low-key sleepy. You guys saw I just came from the beach. I need a nap, but I just did my hair. So no, I wanna lay down. Gel, just 2 products basically. There is a downside to this routine. Give me 1 second. Let me work this in first. Well, that technically wouldn't have been 1 second, but anyway, give me a little bit. So when I apply products, especially gel, I like to work in circular motions with my hands just so the gel could get into all the curls. Front, back, side, front, back, side, front, back, side. And we work that in. And when you see how this dries, every time I wear this routine, everyone loves it, and I get so many compliments because it just brings the curls out. I'm gonna tell you the downside to this in a bit. Give me a sec. I want to make sure the hair is done first. At this point, I don't even know why I bother with brushing or trying to sleek the edges a little bit. The hair isn't long enough for that. But y'all, I think my hair is outgrowing my routine. The end of this month will be 3 months since. If you just joined the community, hi, what's up? Do you feel welcomed? Good to have you. Yeah, this is the motion right here. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Let me stop. My hair is growing in really fast and I can now see the different textures of my hair. You guys would have known that this side is a little bit more in the looser curl, and then in here it's more dense. So as it's growing, even when my hair dries and when I sleep, this side of my hair, it just gets really flat because of the density, the texture. Two cons of this routine: it tends to flake, and it gives you a very strong hold. The thing with the flaking is though, once you refresh it and you add some more mousse and a little bit more gel, it's okay, but eventually it flakes a little bit. You just have to figure out how to work with the flaking. But besides that, once my hair dries, I'm gonna show y'all the curl definition. No curls are left behind, and that's why I love it. And it also lasts pretty long, so my hair can last the entire week if I don't play with it too much. That's what happens. I play with my hair a lot, especially now that it's short. Everyone is saying your hair would grow back in a couple of seconds. Who told you guys that I care to grow back my hair? Think about that. I'm actually enjoying this short hair. I'm just in a season of life where I just don't want to do anything.